Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I want to give a big shout out to Rebluum for sending us this camera. This is an outdoor 2K camera. It does pan, tilt, and zoom, and it also comes with its own solar panel to keep it charged and ready to go throughout the days. We're going to now do the unboxing, see what's in the box. Then I'm going to show you guys how to set up the camera, and then we'll test it out and see what the quality is like. Stay tuned. Okay, so as always, let's just take a quick look at the box before we do the unboxing. So on the front here, it's a solar battery wireless security camera. The model for this camera is the RB-3PT1. This does 355 degree pan and 90 degree tilt, forever power, which is powered by the solar panel in the image. Wireless free and hassle free for anybody who doesn't want to be worrying about connections, which is pretty convenient. On this side, it's just the brand, Rebluum. On this side over here, it says the key features of this camera, which is a smart home surveillance camera, remote access via the free app, playback and recording the video by micro SD card, enhanced HD night vision, intelligent motion detection, and clear two-way audio. On the other side, we have HD video capture, high definition images, two-way talk, micro SD card slot, which supports up to 128 gigabyte local storage, alarm notification so you get instant alerts when you're on the go, and Wi-Fi connection. It only works on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. On the back, this just shows you a quick little breakdown of what comes in the box. So you're going to get the camera, the solar panel, the screw pack sticker warning, user manual, and you're going to get the Type-C USB charging cable.
A few moments later.
Alright, so taking the items out of the box, very quickly, let's just go through what's in here. So we got a 24-hour sticker, so you can put this on your window or on your fencing, just so people know that you're protected. You have the instruction manual or the quick start guide. This one is really nice. It has a lot of pictures in here, has a lot of information, and it does have multiple languages. Plus it also has the digital version, so if you want to scan it, you can get it on iOS and Android as well. But I quickly looked through it. It looks very clear. And if you do need help, definitely check this guide out because it's really well done. In terms of the camera, so this is the camera here. So again, pan, tilt, and zoom. This does come with an adapter. So what you want to do is this, we're going to have to screw into the wall first. And then this will mount here into the back like so. And this will hold it onto the wall. I'll show you how this works later on. The camera itself comes with this cable, which is a USB-C to USB. It does have this little cover. This is for the USB-C, which I found is right on the back here of the camera. You'll see that it's just open right now. So once you're done using this to weather seal it and prove it, you want to put this little cap in there. It does come with two packages of anchors and screws. So one of them is for the camera and the other one is for the solar panel. And then it comes with the solar panel, which will connect to the device via the USB-C. And then it also comes with the mount, which is going to screw right onto the back here of the panel like so. Okay guys, so just quickly I want to talk on this camera just before I go ahead and install it. So as you can see, there's the lens. We got the LED lights on the side to provide with some more lighting, especially during the night. We have the infrared system here at the bottom, so to detect motion. Now this does rotate side to side and up and down. In the main body here, there is a battery that's built in. There's a sticker that tells you at the bottom. The battery is 9700 milliamp, and like I said, once you connect the solar panel here to the USB port, that'll continuously keep it charged as long as you have sunlight. So on the back here you have the mounting space. You have the antennas for signal, and then the only other thing I noticed on this camera, the speakers are right here on the back, so for your two-way talking. And then at the top, there's one small little port here which is protected. So you have your power button on the left. On the right, you have a reset button. And then right in the middle there, you have your SD card slot. Alright guys, so here you see the camera is set up, and the way I did it was I just screwed it right into the big beam support, and then I tied the rope around the back. And because I have the roof here, it's hard to get the solar panel up there. So what I did was I just took this little piece of MDF, I cut it, and then I screwed it on top here so that it gets the most sunlight. The next step you want to do is you want to download the app that's going to work with your camera. So you want to go into your store. So on Android, you'll want to go to the Android store, and on Apple, you want to go to the App Store. And you're going to want to look for an app called Cloud Edge. And once you download it, you're going to add the camera. And once you add the camera, then you're going to be able to see all the settings and view the camera live.
Here I'm testing the two-way talking. No one's home at the moment, but you can leave the package on the front door.
So now I'm just testing out the app's controls and features. So you just saw the light that the camera has, plus the two-way talk. And now I'm showing you guys the camera's pan and tilting. So everything is pretty smooth. You can see the controls are very straightforward and laid out on the app, and it's really simple, easy to find, and easy to use. Now what you're looking at is the actual video from the camera itself, and you can see again the controls on the bottom right side. The camera is very responsive, the picture is very clear, and there's so many more features that you guys can check out on the app. It even has a siren. It has the motion detection for people in the back, even in the dark, where it'll turn on the light just to kind of scare off any kind of intruder. So great security camera. Now this is an actual footage taken from the camera itself, and again you can see it's very clear, very detailed, so no problem with the image quality or the video quality. I say this is a great camera for a very reasonable price. So I'm going to make sure that I link this in the description down below, just in case you guys want to check it out. Lastly, I really recommend you guys spend some time and go through the settings on the app. You have a lot of great stuff in there that you can fine-tune to your needs, including setting this up with Amazon, Alexa, and also Google if you prefer. And just one more important note. If you want to take full advantage of your camera and have a better experience, they do offer cloud storage plans. So this will give you 30-day cycle storage, no time limits, some extra play controls. And the event cloud storage starts at $4.99 a month, or you can go with the event cloud storage plus the AI, which is $5.39, and that gives you things like AI detection and other features that are not currently included with the camera. So definitely take a look, see if any of these suit your needs. And they also have options that once you click on one of these plans and you click next, they will also give you the option for like a yearly payment if that suits you better. So definitely take a look, see what works for you. And again, the camera does work without the plan. I've been using it for the last couple of days without it. But obviously they do have extra features and stuff that you can take advantage of by adding on one of these extra plans. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope it was informative. My overall look at this camera is it's a great camera, good quality for a very reasonable price. And if you guys are in the market for a security camera, you can't go wrong with this one. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.